With proper planning, a retiree can keep their tax bill as low as possible during retirement. Here to discuss some ways to develop an efficient tax plan is my guest, Collin LaFollette in Dallas, Texas. Collin, can you talk about the difference between tax prep and tax planning?
Yes, Scott, thank you. The biggest difference between tax preparation and tax planning is that one of them is recording history, and it's very important, and most tax preparers do this, and they do it very well, and it's an important role. The tax planning, many other people do this as well, where they're forecasting what your taxes are going to be in the future. And with the sunsetting rules that are happening in 2024, that's certainly going to affect you. One other step, though, in this planning is not just forecasting, but coming up with solutions to either reduce or mitigate some of these taxes in retirement.
So now, what determines if a Roth conversion is a good idea?
Yes, Roth conversions, like a lot of things in our business, have become more and more popular, and especially for talking points. But what happens is the number one answer that I give to my clients that are asking about it is it depends on a myriad of things. So, and not just is it going from taxable to tax-free. Well, anyone can say that that's a great idea. What is missing a lot of times is how do we mitigate the taxes that we're going to pay? Are we just going to pay them, or are there solutions available to us to mitigate, either reduce or eliminate those taxes?
So are there any other strategies a person should be aware of if they are already in retirement?
Oh yes, there's several ways that we can help in tax mitigation in retirement. The thing to do is you've got to look at the whole picture. You've got to look at all the different assets and how you might be able to use some of those assets to fund some of these solutions. So it would just be a method of taking a look at the whole picture.
Thanks, Collin. That's Collin LaFollette in Dallas, Texas. Thank you for watching Retirement News Online.